Okay, a car starts from rest on a half-kilometer long bridge. The coefficient of friction between tire and the road is road is 1. Show that one cannot drive the bridge in less than 10 seconds. Okay, so actually this is the same question as the last one. So half-kilometer long bridge. So the displacement which he has to cover is half-kilometer long. So half-kilometer means 500 meters. So this is a displacement which one has to travel. Now coefficient of friction between road and tire, that is 1. So if it is 1, and then what will be the friction force? The friction force, the maximum friction which we will have is mu times normal, and that is mu times mg. So maximum acceleration which we can have, A max, that will be friction by mass, so force by mass, so mu mg divided by m, so mu g. This is the friction force which will have on the car. This is the maximum friction force on the car. So car will accelerate with this friction, with this force, with this acceleration. Okay, so distance is given, so we can write the equation s equal to ut plus half at square. Since it is starting from rest, u will be 0, s is 500, and a, if we take the maximum, then we have to take the minimum time. For minimum time, because we have to find the minimum time, we will consider the maximum a. So t will be how much? It will be 2 into 500 divided by a max. So it will be 2 into 500 divided by a max. A max is how much? A max is mu. Mu is 1, g is 10. So that is 10 meter per second square. So maximum acceleration is this. So that is 1000 by 10. So 10 meter per second. 10 seconds. 10 seconds. So that is the thing we needed to prove. So the car cannot cross the bridge in less than 10 seconds.